Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PED. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can continue to stay up above 265. I mean, that was essentially the bottom portion of this little consolidation area right here. So like I said, if the price can continue to stay above there, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. With that being said, if the price does drop below it, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but just that if the price can stay above it, that would be a great sign as far as just the actual strength of the price. Next level of support after that would be this previous little breakout and consolidation area down here around $2.40. So 265 and 240, two of the nearer term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, that's where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? No questions asked. Again, sure, staying above 265, that would be great. But grand scheme of things viewpoint, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, pretty straightforward right now. On two different occasions, the price tried to get up right around the 290 mark and couldn't quite push through. So very clearly, that's where the bears are hanging out at this point in time. Overall, though, anyway, look at it. Very nice move today. Great volume, great price movement, and as long as the price begins to build higher bases going forward, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking those levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations and higher lows, and sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.